Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a fall arrangement, and this is the bowl that I'll be doing the arrangement in. This is from Home Goods, so if you would like to see this video, please keep watching. I have everything that I need: the wire cutters, the tape, and the floral foam. First thing I'm doing is measuring the floral foam just to see how much I need to cut off. And you can find floral foam at Hobby Lobby. You can find it at Dollar Tree, Walmart. And I didn't have to use the tape to hold the foam down. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. But in my case, everything fit in the bowl pretty tight, so I didn't have to use the tape. And now I am cutting the stem to the length that I want it, depending on the height that you like, because I want mine to be not too tall, but just somewhat in the middle. And I'm taking off these leaves, but I am going to use them later, so you'll see that later on in the video. And I'm just placing them in the foam, and I'm going to do that all the way around. So the colors that I'm using is brown, rose, and cream ivory colors. So I'm just going to work it all the way around. So the colors that I'm using for the fall are neutrals, and these are pretty much it. So I can place this anywhere in my home. So I'll probably place it on the dining table, and then I'll later on probably move it to the living room area. But yeah, it's going to turn out really nice. And this is really easy. You can do this at home, but just make sure that your florals are evenly in height and in width, if that makes any sense. I don't know if I'm using the right terms, but yeah. And I'm going to add this pick. It's a pumpkin pick that is from Hobby Lobby, and I thought I had some pine cones because I definitely wanted to put those in there, but I looked and I didn't have any. Now I'm placing the leaves. These are the same leaves that came off of some of the florals, and remember I told you that I was going to put them in there later, and this is what I'm doing. So I'm just putting them in between the florals where I think it needs it, mainly on the bottom, not too much on the top, but on the bottom and kinda on the side. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Now I'm adding a couple baby breaths just to fill in a couple gaps. Coming, don't wait
trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play.